Hey, Peter Vekselman. So today I want to talk to you about the numbers and the importance of them. So many people ask me all the time, well, how do you run your business? I mean, what are the indicators? What do you look at? What do you follow? How do you know if you're on track or off track? And the reality of it is this. I could literally, and almost a lot of times do, run my business right from this very, very thick binder. Now, it's thick because it's got a lot of past things in it, but we got about here probably about 12 or 15 tabs, and these are my indicators of this business. These are the things I look at. These are times on the phone for our negotiators, contracts submitted, contracts accepted, our inspections. This is how our marketing is working. Is it working better with this strategy or this strategy? We got about 12 or 15 indicators here, and all I have to do is look at these indicators, and that will tell me how well the business runs. I mean, I could literally not be here for a week, 2 weeks, 3. I could be here I could miss a whole month here, if not more. And as long as I'm getting access to these numbers, I know exactly what I need to do in order to speed things up, make it grow a little bit quicker, or maybe slow things down, or even make adjustments. You as an investor need to learn how to do the same thing. See, so many of us get so involved in the daily grind of this business, like, well, I got to go look at a property, or I got to go deliver this to my contractor, or I got to go, talk to my money guy about something. And so you're staying very busy, you're doing things, and for some reason, maybe things aren't going as well as you think. I want you to come up with some leading indicators for your business. Now, these leading indicators change. They could change from the geography you're located in. They could change from the strategy you're involved in. They can definitely change from the size of the business you have or you want to have. They change from the people that you're working with or maybe not working with, or employees you have or you don't. So you have to figure out what your leading indicators are. For instance, ours here, like I told you, are very simple. We're a very marketing-driven company. We're looking for deals. So we're very focused on our leading indicators within the marketing schematic. We're very focused on our production from the people that we're doing. We're very focused on inspections. We're very focused on sales or closings that we have and all that. Those are our particular indicators. I know if those numbers are in line, we're on track. You got to figure out what the key indicators are for you. And then it doesn't matter if you're a one-man or one-woman show. Figure out what your leading indicators are and focus on them. See, because then that's all you got to focus on in terms of making adjustments. Sometimes when things aren't working, people get confused why they're not working. You may have 10 parts, 10 leading indicators in your business, and if you're not focused and don't know what they are, you have no idea what adjustment needs to be made. See, if something goes wrong in my business, I could immediately spot where the problem is. I could immediately pinpoint, okay, look, these numbers are off. Or all of a sudden something goes really well. Sometimes things go well and you could be just as much in the dark and have no idea why they went well, and so you don't have the ability to grow that side of the business. But see, when certain things go well here, I could again look in here, we can identify immediately what's working so well, and then we can accentuate those things and do more of those things. So these leading indicators are not only good to have from a perspective of what's not working, they're just as important to have of what is working and where you got to put most of your focus on. So figure out what your leading indicators are, no matter how small or no matter how big you are, and I promise you, stay focused on them on a weekly basis, and there'll be a lot more for you to control and to run your business, both from a short-term and a long-term perspective. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in a Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you through email. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link right directly, coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.